In this video, I will be showing you how to manage Copilot AI training data in Microsoft Edge. Let's get started. First, I start by opening my Microsoft Edge browser and navigating to the search bar. I type in copilot.microsoft.com and hit enter to load up the official Microsoft Copilot interface. Once the page loads, I see the main landing dashboard with the prompt input field ready. I click on my profile icon located down at the bottom left corner of the page to open up my account menu. From the list of available options, I click directly on Settings. This brings up a modal overlay with several categories on the left side. I navigate down and select the Privacy section. In the Privacy panel on the right, the top option is Training on Conversation Activity, which is currently toggled off. I click the toggle switch to turn it on, changing its color to green, allowing Copilot to use conversations for training. Directly below that is the Training on Voice Conversations option, which is also toggled off. I click its corresponding switch to enable it as well. Now that both training options are turned on, I click the small X icon at the top right corner of the settings modal to close it out. I return to the main dashboard and click inside the Message Copilot text field. I type out a sample question. What are the biggest misconceptions about artificial intelligence? Separate myths from facts. After typing the complete prompt, I click the Upload arrow button on the right side of the field to submit it. Copilot begins searching the web and generating a detailed response. As it loads, I scroll down through the screen to review the comprehensive table it provides, which lists common myths side by side with facts about AI capabilities, understanding, and sentience. I keep scrolling down to see the full breakdown, including sections explaining why these misconceptions matter, along with a final key takeaway summarizing the nature of AI tools. Now everything is set up, and I can successfully manage how my conversation data is utilized. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.